If you want to start freelancing लेकिन तुम्हें नहीं पता है कि शुरू कहाँ से करें, then this video is for you because in this video मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप रोड मैप जो तुम्हारी फ्रीलांसिंग जर्नी को आसान बनाने में हेल्प करेगा. Because freelancing is a skill which can help you to get financial freedom. Because with the help of freelancing, you can work while sitting at your home with the clients from whole world and generate income. और अगर तुम इस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करते हो, then you can also become a successful freelancer in 2025. In the first step, you need to find the right skill. Because freelancing में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए you need to learn a high demanding skill. Because if you don't know what you can offer, then how are clients going to hire you? So सबसे पहले you need to learn a high demanding skill and you need to learn कि तुम किस स्किल में एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हो. And if you are a beginner और तुम्हें नहीं पता कि शुरू कहाँ से करें, then you can follow this simple trick. Identify your strength. तुम्हें क्या चीज़ सीखने और करने में मज़ा आता है. What are the things that you can do even for free? What are the things that you can do for hours and hours? See the market demand. कौन से स्किल्स अभी ट्रेंडिंग है. What are the high demanding skills that you can learn to earn money? क्योंकि किसी भी स्किल को सीखने से पहले you need to know कि ये स्किल हाई डिमांडिंग है या नहीं. I will also tell you about some skills that are high demanding. Analyze your competition. Because किसी भी स्किल को सीखने से पहले you need to analyze the competition. You need to know कि अगर तुम इस स्किल को सीख भी जाते हो तो would you be able to make money from this skill?
Popular freelancing skills: video editing, graphic designing, web development, copywriting, digital marketing.
Learn and practice your skill. Skill choose करने के बाद you also need to master it. Just having basic knowledge won't get you any clients. Because clients सिर्फ expert को hire करना चाहते हैं जो कि उनका काम high quality में और efficiently कर सकता है. So in order to get clients, तुम्हें नई projects पे काम करना होगा and you need to practice on daily basis and improve your skill. There are many resources to learn and master the skills. Some of these are free and some of these are paid. Free resources, YouTube tutorials, best way to learn. But practice is a must. Blogs and articles. These can help you understand the theory of the skill that you are learning. So with the help of theory, you can dive into deep parts of the skill. In open source project, you can work for somebody else or you can work for yourself, and which will help you to learn the skill very fastly. And with that, you are also going to gain more experience, the real time experience. Paid resources. Well, अगर तुम स्किल को स्ट्रक्चर बाय स्ट्रक्चर सीखना चाहते हो तो courses are the best for you. And with the help of courses, you can learn skill a lot faster. और अगर तुम सीरीज ऑफ फ्रीलांसिंग में एक करियर बनाने के लिए then you need to make a road map for yourself, जिसमें तुम डेली नए प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करोगे, डेली न्यू स्किल सीखोगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू टेक फीडबैक्स. क्योंकि फ्रीलांसिंग में फीडबैक एक इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है और जो कि हेल्प करेगा तुम्हें अपने काम को और बेटर बनाने में. बिकॉज द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द फास्टर यू विल ग्रो. स्टेप 3, बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो. टू अट्रैक्ट क्लाइंट्स यू नीड टू बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो. पोर्टफोलियो का मतलब होता है प्रूफ ऑफ योर वर्क. सो तुम्हारे पोर्टफोलियो के अंदर तुम्हारा बेस्ट सैंपल ऑफ वर्क होना चाहिए जो कि क्लाइंट्स को अट्रैक्ट करने में हेल्प करेगा. एंड टू गेट मोर क्लाइंट्स यू नीड टू मेक गुड पोर्टफोलियो. वेल, इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी क्लाइंट्स देन यू कैन वर्क फॉर फेक क्लाइंट्स एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो वर्क फॉर योरसेल्फ. Like for example, I freelance video editing. So in video editing, you can record your videos and edit them, which is going to become the sample for your work. And you can put that sample in your portfolio. Because the more professional your portfolio is, the more clients you are gonna get. Step 4, find clients. After building a portfolio, finding clients is the next big challenge. But if you do things the right way, the clients will come to you. There are many websites that you can find clients on. Upwork, a premium platform with high-paying clients. Fiverr, best for quick orders. Freelancer, good for beginners but highly competitive. People per hour, you can find European clients there. You can also find clients through social media. You can build your network on LinkedIn, and with the help of your network, you can get more clients. You can build your personal brand on Instagram and Twitter, which will help you to reach to a more wider audience and which will help you to get more clients. Set your price and start earning. Now you have skill, portfolio and clients, but how do you set your prices? That's a big question, but you can answer it by this simple trick. If you are a beginner, then you can set your prices a bit low than all of your competitors to get more clients, and you need to decide between hourly basis and project basis pricing and what suits you the best. And once you start getting regular clients, then you can charge premium prices and you can become a full-time freelancer. And if you follow these 5 steps, then you can definitely become a successful freelancer in 2025. Because freelancing is not just a skill, it's a habit, it's a business. So start now and earn your first income soon.